nonprofit organizations had to adapt in a big way to carry on with their mission during this pandemic. The unknowns of the future have left many in limbo, questioning funding, donations, and the number of people willing to volunteer. Reporter Kent Lutzen has more on how area nonprofits have continued to serve during the pandemic.
They're really busy. I think some of their funding's coming in, some's not. We've seen the local foundation community really step up.
Ann Hindry, Chief Executive of Nonprofit Association of the Midlands, says the COVID-19 crisis is hurting nonprofits in Nebraska and Southwest Iowa.
Part of the challenge is the uncertainty of it all. Just we don't know what we don't know, and we don't know when we'll know it.
A recent survey with 231 area nonprofits participating shows 63% experiencing significant impact from the coronavirus, with a total of $42 million in lost revenue.
It really has slowed us down to just doing basic what we need to do right now.
Gene Klein with Omaha's Project Harmony says they've had to get creative with strategies to continue to serve children that have been abused or neglected.
We thought we could kind of hold our breath for a couple of weeks or a month and squeeze through this, and now we're in the middle of July and seeing no end in sight.
Many of the nonprofits have had to cancel major fundraisers, forcing many to apply for funding from the Payment Protection Program.
Well, we're here.
Mary Fraser Meintz, Executive Director with Youth Emergency Services, says the silver lining in the unknowns of this pandemic is the constant giving of the Omaha community.
We've been very lucky to receive support from many philanthropists, and we got the Paycheck Protection Program, so that helps a lot because we serve about 3,000 youth a year, and they're not going to go away. And in fact, the need is probably going to increase, so we need to be here.
In Omaha, Kent Lutzen, 3 News Now.
A majority of the nonprofits surveyed say they have not had to lay off or furlough staff during the pandemic. A third added they've seen an increase in demand for their services.